Where's your nose? Okay, where's your mouth? Where's your ears? Where's your ears? Where's your ears? Good job. Where's your hair? Good. Where's your toes? Where's your toes? They're behind the book? Okay, where's your knees? Where's your knees? Milo, where's your knees? Where? Where's your knees? There they are. Good. Milo, where's your elbows? Where are they? Where are they? Show me. Are they over there? Okay. Where's your teeth? Good. Where's your tongue? Good. Where's your chin? Chin. Where's your fingers? Fingers. Where's your toes?
Two.
Toes. Where's your toes?